Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Liz, and in today's video, we're doing a fall thrift flip. The first project we're going to be putting together is a table that I'm putting together with some components that I found at the thrift store. The first thing I found was this really cool spindle. It was priced at $5, which I thought was a pretty good deal. It was really big and I actually really liked the color of it, and I thought this would make a really great side table or plant stand. Once I determined I needed to use this as a plant stand, I went looking for a tabletop. I ended up finding this really cool platter at Goodwill. It was a wood platter. It was only 99 cents, and I thought it would be perfect. I wanted this spindle to be white, but I really liked the green color that was already coming through and wanted to keep that. So I'm going to be using some white chalk paint, and I'm just going to lightly brush it on the outside of my spindle, making sure that I leave some of the green still coming through. And I'm only going to do one coat. Now with the platter that I picked up, I'm going to be using it on the back side. I love the wood finish of it, but I needed to get off the gloss that was already on there, and there was also some wording on the back. I'm using an orbital sander, and I'm going to remove the lettering and the glossy finish. Next, I'll just use a rag with water on it to wipe it down. When you do this, you're going to see if you missed any areas and need to go back and sand as well. Since I didn't need to alter the color of the wood, all I'm going to be using is a clear wax and put it on the top of my piece. This is just going to seal it with a nice wax finish, and that's all I'm going to do with it. Next, I'm going to flip the platter onto the back, and I'm going to measure out to find where the center of the platter is. I'll use my drill to drill down through the center, making sure I don't go all the way down because I don't want to go through the top. I'm also going to drill a similar hole in the top of my spindle in the very center. I'm going to add some wood glue to the top of my spindle. And then to attach it, I'm going to take a screw, and I just cut the top of the screw head off. I'm going to put the screw into the spindle, and then I'm going to flip it over onto my table and just twist the screw into the tabletop. And with the screw and the wood glue, it's going to hold it in place. I'm going to allow everything a chance to completely dry, and then you can sit it out with your favorite plant. Hey everyone, I'm Liz from the Home DIY YouTube channel, lizfenwickdiy. I want to tell you about the 270-degree White Motion Outdoor Integrated LED Floodlight with Clearview Edge-Lit Translucent Light Panel Technology, available at the Home Depot. You can make your home secure and stylish with this motion-activated outdoor floodlight. The Clearview Edge-Lit Translucent Light Panel Technology feature lets the light fixture blend into your home exterior. The new technology allows dim accent light to shine from the back of the panel to create a soft wall wash ambient lighting effect. This fixture also gives a warm white color temperature of 3000 K at bright 2000 lumens. The dual bright feature allows dim accent light from dusk till dawn and full bright when motion is detected. The floodlight is DIY friendly with 2 easy steps for installation with eave or wall mount. The unique clear lamp head panels blend in with the exterior of your home with its 2000 lumens seamless bright light. It has LED lit touch sensor controls. The dual bright 2-level lighting comes on at a warm white 3000 K temperature, which helps to beautify, protect, and also save energy by utilizing accent light from dusk till dawn and full light when the motion is detected. The bright LED at 2000 lumen output is great for nighttime. You can adjust the LED light sensor, which is great for functionality depending on where you put it on your house. The 270-degree motion detection has up to a 50-foot range. The lamp is tool-free, and you could also adjust all of the sensors. If you're looking for an outdoor floodlight, make sure that you head over to the Home Depot for the Defiant 270-degree white motion outdoor integrated LED floodlight with Clearview edge-lit translucent light panel technology. And I want to thank the Home Depot for sponsoring today's video. So you know, whenever you walk by certain things at the thrift store and you just instantly have an idea for it, well, that's what happened whenever I saw this shelf. So I had to pick it up. It was $15, a little bit more than I would typically spend at the thrift store, but again, I had an idea, so I went ahead and picked it up. When we brought it home, I decided to cut the top portion and the bottom portion of my shelf off, and we're gonna do that with a miter saw. Once I cut off those pieces, there were some uneven areas, so I went in with my orbital sander and just sanded down the top and the bottom of my shelf. Next, I'm going to paint the entire piece with 2 coats of Waverly white chalk paint. I'm going to be using this number stencil by Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to stencil them on with the color Elephant by Waverly. Now, continuing on with that same gray color, I'm going to paint the edges of my drawers, and I'm also going to add some of that paint to the front and my piece just to give it a little bit of distressing. Once everything had a chance to dry, I'm going to come back in with a little sandpaper and do a little bit more distressing on the shelf. Now, I thought this would be a great piece to sit out for fall, so I'm going to be adding in some different pumpkins I had on hand, some leaves and pine cones, and just an assortment of things. You could change this up for any season, and I think it will look darling sitting out, and a little bit of unexpected decor. And here's a look at how it looks for fall. When I was at Goodwill, I came across these 2 candle stands that were $2 each, and I just couldn't pass them up. I thought they would be really cute for my decor. Lately, I have found this ultra matte spray paint by Rust-Oleum, and I'm super excited about it. It gives this great flat color. So I'm going to spray paint my candle stands with 2 coats of this ultra matte in the color Slate. Make sure when you're spray painting that you do thin coats so it's not too thick or heavy, and give each coat at least a couple hours to dry. I decided to add some pumpkins to create a nice little vignette sitting out on my front entry table. All right, you guys, I can't wait to know which of these 3 projects was your favorite. Please let me know down in the comments. If you're new here, make sure that you subscribed. And if you missed our last video, I'll link it right here. And all the information about my Home Depot product will be down in the description box. And I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.